So good morning, welcome to Sakala Vidya YouTube channel. So in the last session we had a discussion on exercise 14.2 up to 5 problems. So today is the one more problem is there. So after that we will switch over to the new concept. So today we shall concentrate on sixth problem. Okay, let us solve sixth problem. Exercise 14.2 of statistics. Okay, sixth problem. Sixth problem. Okay, good morning all. First, all of you note down the question. A student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods. Each of 3 minutes. 3 minutes. And summarized this in the table given below. Okay, let us write a table now. First let us prepare the table. Okay, this is the frequency distribution table. Right. The first row is number of cars. Next is frequency. This is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and one more. Okay, right now. So let us fill it now. So first, number of cars. Frequency. This is 0 to 10 is 7, 10 to 20, 14, 20 to 30, 13, 30 to 40, 12, 40 to 50, 20, 50 to 60 is 11, 60 to 70 is 15, 70 to 80 is 8. Next, find the mode of the data. Mode of the data. That means mode of the above data we need to find out. So in order to find out mode of the above data, what should we do now first? So first we need to find out the maximum frequency among the frequency we need to find out. So what is the maximum frequency? 7, 14, 13, 12, 20, 11, 15, 8. Obviously 20 is the maximum frequency. So that means this 40 to 50 is the model class. So this will be F1. So this will be F0. F0. So this will be next F2. Next here H value is equal to class size 50 minus 40 is equal to 10. Next lower limit of the model class is L is equal to 40. L is equal to 40. F1 is equal to 20, F0 12, F2 is 11 and H is equal to 10. Using formula easily we can find out. Yes, answer may be 44.7. Absolutely cars. Cars, sir. Okay. Okay. So let us do it now. Okay, leave it now. Solution. So first let us prepare the table now once again. In table just we need only 2 columns is enough for us. 2 columns are enough to find out the mode. Okay. This is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Okay. So let us write it. Number of cars, frequency. This is F5. This is class interval, CI. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Next 7, this is 14, 13, 12, 20, 11, 15, 8. Okay, first let us find out here maximum frequency. This is the maximum frequency. So this is the F1. So this is the model class. Now this will be the F0. So this will be the F2. Okay, now write down solution. This is the solution only. Since 20 is the maximum frequency, maximum frequency lies in 40 to 50, that is 40 to 50 is the model class, So here see, this 40 is the lower limit, L is equal to 40. Next F0 is equal to 12, F1 is equal to 20, F2 is equal to 11, H is equal to 50 minus 40 is 10. Now formula. Using formula to find out mode of a group data. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied with H. Let us substitute the respective values. So this equals to L means 40 plus F1. F1 is 20, F0 is 12. 20 minus 12, 2F1. 2 into 20 minus F0, 12, F2 is 11. And multiplied by H is 10. So now we need to simplify this one. So this equals to 40 plus 20 minus 12 is 8 upon 2 times 20 is 40. So 40 minus 12 plus 11 is 23 multiplied by 10. So this equals to 40 plus 8 upon 40 minus 8 into 10 is 80 upon 40 minus 23 is 17. So now 80 divided by 17. 80 divided by 17. So 17 5 ja 85, 17 4 ja 68. Subtracting 2 you will be getting 12, 0, point. 17 7 ja 119. So 1 you will be getting 0, you need to write, and one more 0, 0 write down. 17 5 ja 95. So you will be getting 50. Next 17, yes, this will be 4.75 approximately. So 40 plus 4.705. 705. This equal to 44.705. If you just adjust to the 2 decimal points, approximately we can write 44.7. Therefore, mode number of cars is equal to 44.7. This is the answer. Right. Next, median. Next concept is median. So what is the median? Okay, median is the middlemost value of the given observations when they are in ascending or descending order. That means median follows the order. That's very important. So when do you find median? Median only can be calculated unless and until if they are in ascending order or descending order for the raw data. for raw data. So now here two cases. First case is actually note if n is odd, then n by 2 plus 1th term, n by 2 plus 1th observation is the median. Second one, if n is even, then the mean of n plus 1 by 2th and n plus 3 by 2th observations. Okay, let us do the problems now based on this one. One example, find the median of 7, 6, 4, 10, 8 is, find the median of 7, 6, 4, 8. First check whether they are arranged in the ascending or descending order. First we need to arrange them. Solution. Arranging in ascending order. So we have first 4 after 6, 6 after 7, 7 after 8, 10. Now they have been arranged in the ascending order. You check it, how many number of observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n is equal to 5, which is odd. Now the median equals to, is equal to n by 2 sorry, I did mistake here. Right. So one minute. One minute. N plus 1 by 2th observation is the median. This is if n is even, n by 2th and n plus by 2th terms observations. Okay, now this is n plus 1 by 2 observation. So that is equal to 5 plus 1, 6 by 2 equal to third observation. Third observation means 1, 2, 3, 7. This is the median. Therefore, this is equal to 7. Median equals to 7. This is answer. Second question. Find the median of 5, 7, 4, 2, 1, 10. Find the median of 5, 7, 4, 2, 1, 10. Okay, try yourself. What do you get now here? Solution. Arranging in ascending order or descending order, no problem. So we have 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 10. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means actually here n is equal to 6. Even. This is even. Now find n by 2th observation. N by 2th observation. That means 6 by 2 is third observation. Third observation. See, third observation is 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, n plus 2 by 2 observation. That is 8 by 2. So fourth observation. Fourth observation. What is the fourth observation? 5. But mean of these two we need to find out. That is the median. So therefore median is equal to average of 4 and 5. Average means mean of 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 by 2. 9 by 2. That will be 4.5. This is the answer. 4.5. So now median of a group data. This is very, very important. Median of a group data. Median of a group data. Median of a group data. So median of a group data is given by the formula. We have the formula. So median equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F times H. Now you need to write what is L and what is H, where L equals to lower boundary of median class L stands for lower boundary of median class. N stands for number of observations, total number of observations. Number of observations or total frequency. Sigma F, number of observations. CF is cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency of class preceding to the median class. That means before the median class. Cumulative frequency of the before the median class. Cumulative frequency of the class preceding to the median class. CF. Next F. F is the frequency of the median class. Frequency of the median class. That means the frequency corresponds to the median class. So next H. Next H. H equals to size of the class. Size of the class. So my dear children, if you remember this formula, you are able to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 terms you need to remember. So you need to remember in the examination also you need to present it. That's very important. So let me revise once again. L stands for lower boundary of median class. N stands for number of observations. CF stands for cumulative frequency of class. F stands for frequency of the median class. H stands for size of the class. So this is the formula to use. Actually, by making use of this formula, we can find out median of the group data. Group data can be evaluated using this formula. Okay, let us go for exercise 14.3. 14.3. 14.3. Exercise 14.3. First question. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68. 68 means this is a total consumers of a locality. That means area, locality. Find the median mean and mode. All three central tendencies we need to find out. Mode of the data, and compare them. This is the frequency distribution table. Okay. (65 to 85), 85 to 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, 145 to 165, right, and one more. Right. Monthly consumption. Monthly consumption. Monthly consumption. Number of consumers. Number of consumers. 65 to 85. 85 to 105. 105 to 125. 125 to 145. 145 to 165. 165 to 185. 185 to 205. This is the last frequency. Class interval, last class interval. This is 4, this is 5, this is 13, this is 20, 14, 8 and 4. Okay, now for this table only we need to find out the median first, mean and mode of the data we need to find out. Here total frequency is 68. So 4 plus 5 plus 13 plus 20 plus 14 plus 8 plus 4 is equal to 68. Okay, let us find out now. Okay, all of you go through the question. So you can try yourself also. So all of you read the question carefully first of all. So first check the class intervals. The class intervals are continuous class intervals. There is no break. And moreover, actually see the size of the class interval is 85 minus 65 is 20. Okay. First let us find out the median. How to find out the median? First let us try here now here. Okay, with the help of this we need to prepare the table now. Right. So at a time simultaneously let us find out median, mean and mode. Okay, this is the class interval. This is the frequency. First median we need to find out. So less than cumulative frequency. Less than cumulative frequency. Next we need to find out the mean. Class mark. Class mark. Next UI. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Enough. 6 enough. Okay. So now let us adjust also, no problem. This is the frequency. Next, this is the less than cumulative frequency. Class mark. UI and FI/UI. So let us write it now. 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, 145 to 165, 165 to 185, 185 to 205. Right. So let us fill it now first of all. See, this is monthly consumption. Monthly consumption. This will be the CI, class interval. Next, number of consumers. Number of consumers. This is FI, frequency. Okay, next is less than cumulative frequency, LCF, less than cumulative frequency, or cumulative frequency also we can write it. Class mark. But actually for median up to 3 columns are enough, up to this part is enough, but here we are asked mean also. So class mark, that is XI. Now you find UI. UI is XI minus assumed mean A upon H. H is the size of the class. This is FI UI. Enough. So let us proceed for the solution now. See, first class is what? 65 to 85. Add 20. 85 to 20. 105. 105 to 125. 125 to 140. 145. 145 to 165. 165 to 185. 185 to 205. Next frequency 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8 and 4. So how to find out less than cumulative frequency? This is very important. Please my dear children, all of you concentrate here. This is very important criteria. So how to remember? First actually 4 write down. For 4 add 5, 4 plus 5 9. For 9 add 13, 22 write down. For 22 add 20, 42 write down. For 42 add 14, 56 write down. For 56 add 8, that is 64 write down. For 64 add 4, 68. You need to check. There are 68 total. Total frequency is 68. This will be 68 itself only. Sigma Fi equal to 68, which is equals to n value. N is equal to 68. So now first let us find out next median. Median after we shall go for next mean. So how to find out the, okay, now here up to this only take it now. Okay, leave it now. Let us find out now. Okay, to find the median, so now find n by 2 value. What is n by 2? 68 upon 2, 34. Just look for in the cumulative frequency just more than 34. Just more than 34 means 42. This 42, this is the median class. So therefore 125 to 145 is the median class. Now we need to find out CF. This is the CF. This is the actually what the cumulative frequency of the preceding to the median class. That means 22 is the CF. So now here write down here L is equal to 125 and next n by 2 is equal to 34. So this will be the frequency of the median class. So F is equal to 20, CF is equal to 22 and H value is equal to 145 minus 125, that will be 20. Now formula. Okay, now formula we need to write. What is the formula? For median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F multiplied by H. Let us substitute the respective values. L stands for 125 plus n by 2. N is 68 by 2. 34 is there. N by 2. 34 minus cumulative frequency CF. CF is 22 upon F. F is the frequency of the median class. 20 multiplied by H. H is 20. Very logical. 20 1 ja 20 cancel. So 125 plus this will be 12. If you add 12 to the 125, you will be getting 137. Therefore, median is equal to 137. So please, all of you carefully observe, because very important problem. You might have understood how to find out the median. Okay. Go back. Previous. Now we need to fill this one to find out the mean. To find out the mean, what shall we do now here? Class mark. Class mark means 65 plus 85 upon 2. So that will be 150 upon 2 is 75. So 75 write down. So class width is 20. Go on adding 20. We'll get the class marks of the remaining classes. 75 plus 20, 95, 115, 135, 155, 175 and next 195. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Middle one. So middle one means you need to take this one is the assumed mean. A. Assumed mean. So here you will write corresponding to this 0, here 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. So that means what we need to do now? F5 multiplied by UI. 4 into minus 3, minus 12. 5 into minus 2, minus 10. 13 into minus 1, minus 13. 20 into 0, 0. 14 into 1, 14. 8 into 2, 16. 4 into 3, 12. This minus 12 plus 12 gets cancelled. Add these two. This will be 30. Add these two, this will be minus 23. Plus 30 minus 23 is actually you will be getting minus 7. This is sigma Fi ui. Okay. So now what do you write now? What do you get now here? You remember one thing. A equals to 135. Sigma Fi ui is equal to minus 7. Total frequency sigma Fi is equal to 68. Obviously H will be this actually 85 minus 65 is 20. These four values enough to find out the mean. Okay, now let us take only these values. These values are enough for us. So now to find mean, here A equals to 135, sigma Fi ui equals to minus 7, sigma Fi equals to 68, H is equal to 20. Now formula, you need to recall the formula. What is the formula to find out mean for the group data? Mean equals to A plus sigma Fi ui upon sigma Fi multiplied by H. So A means 135 plus sigma Fi ui minus 7, this is 68 multiplied with 20, 2 10 ja, 2 34 ja, 2 5 ja, 2 17 ja. So 135 plus into minus 7 into 5, minus 35 by 17. So 35 divided by 17. 17 2 ja 34. You get 1. It won't go 0. 17 6 ja 17 5 ja. So 135 point minus 2.05. From 135 subtract 2.05. You will be getting 10 minus 5 5. It will be 9 3. 133.95. Okay, right, this will be plus 7, sorry, plus 7. This is plus 7 only, sorry, this plus. This is 137.05. Therefore mean equals to 137.05. You might have checked not minus 7, plus 7 only, right? So now previous page. Now what we need to find out now, this time we need to find out mode. Mode means highest frequency. What is the highest frequency? 20. So 20 is the highest frequency. This is the modal class. So modal class is 125 to 145. This is the modal class. Frequency is what? This will be F1, this will be F naught, this will be F2. So F naught is 13, F1 is 20, F2 is 14. These 4 values enough to find out its mode. Okay, now let us find out mode. To find mode, see, since 20 is the maximum frequency in 125 to 145, that is 125 to 145 is model class. So we have determined the model class. So here L equals to lower boundary of the model class 125, and F0 is equal to 13. F1 is the frequency of the model class, F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding to the model class, that is 14. H equal to 145 minus 125 is 20. Now formula. So what is the formula to find out mode? So mode is given by the formula L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. Let us substitute the respective values. So we should have the patience. With the patience we need to do, because calculations are there. F1 is 20 minus F0 is 13 upon 2F1. 2 times 20 minus F0 13, F2 is 14 times H stands for 20. So you need to simplify. 125 plus this will be 20 minus 13 is 7 upon, okay, next what do you get now here? 40 minus this will be 27 times 20. This is 125 plus 140 upon 13. Okay, this will be, you will be getting 125 plus approximately 140 by 13 means you will be getting 10 point something. 13 10 ja 130, 10 point you will be getting 76923. This equal to 135.76923 is the mode. So now what do you observe? So we observe that mean equals to 137, median equals to 135. Okay, 1 minute. Mean equals to how much? Mean equals to 135.107 something. Median is equal to 137. Mode equals to 135.769. if you just compare, they are approximately equal. They are approximately equal. Therefore, they are approximately equal in the given frequency distribution. So this observation can be made. So that we need to write it. So tomorrow we shall continue, because already 3 problems we have done. So tomorrow we shall continue for the second problem. Second problem, third problem is very, very important. Okay, because in the same problem only we have completed 3 problems. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.